Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Verify game integrity in Steam or the Rockstar launcher to restore corrupted archives, and make sure you run the launcher as administrator. Once done, disable mods and move your mods folder out of the game directory. Corrupt mods often trigger air-gen zlib2. Also update Windows, GPU drivers, and install or repair Visual C++ redistributables so native compression libraries load correctly. This prevents false positives during decompression steps. Next, you focus on the corrupted archives themselves. Run the launcher's repair tool or Steam's verify tool to force redownload of damaged RPF files. This targets the zlib decompression failure directly. If verification fails, obtain clean copies of the affected RPF or update RPF from a trusted backup and replace them manually, then rebuild the game archive with Open Roman 4 if needed. Make sure to keep file permissions intact and run the tools as administrator, so replacements succeed without permission errors. Finally, you wrap up by confirming the fix and addressing lingering issues. If repairs succeeded, restore mods one at a time to find culprits and run the game as administrator. If errors persist, temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender real-time scanning, because quarantined files can mimic zlib errors, then launch again. As a last resort, reinstall the game after backing up saves and collect crash logs or dxdiag output to diagnose deeper corruption. This log is your key troubleshooting tip if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.